Hey guys, I wanted to get on here and give you a little daily dose or make you feel happy. Got my green on, and today, Happy St. Patty's Day. I just wanted to get on here real quick. I'm gonna be doing some more videos in the next day or so to sort of show some of my decorations and things, in our home. And as I was doing that, I think, right now everybody's a little bit leery about everything. What do I do? Do I go out? I don't go out? Do I wait another 10 days, 15 days, whatever? This is my suggestion from me. If you have the opportunity, which we have the Publix that you can go online, order your groceries. They bring them to your car, put them in. You never have to get out of your car. There's no tipping. There's no charge at this point. It's free. It's like the first one is free, and then after that was $4.95. But right now it's free here in the Atlanta area. I'm sure that's probably the same anywhere. If you don't have a Publix grocery store, then I suggest you do the Walmart. Or do some of the companies that will do that for you. It does make a difference that you're not in with a lot of people, since we're not supposed to be around more than 10 people. I think if we all decide as all together and all pull together and love one another, that we stay away from those that are elderly. Like today, I did pick up groceries for my friend, my widow friend, which I call my aunt, and go shopping for them, do something for them. I went and did that and left it at her door. Of course, I got to see her. She stood back. I said, make sure we were 6 feet. Not that she has the virus or we have the virus. I'm just trying to do everything possible that she has everything that she needs. If you have a neighbor that has the same thing, if you have a family member or whoever, just treat people like you want them to treat you. I think that if we wash our hands, stay 6 feet from people, don't be in large crowds, and just be common sense, it'll be okay. At one point, someone said, well, we can wait, and then somebody might get it 10 days from now, and then we'll be infected. If they do exactly what that our president has said, our government has said to do, we can beat this thing. But this too will pass. You can't sit around worrying about, I'm afraid he's going to get it. I'm afraid she's going to get it. I hope we're not. Do what they say. Keep those hands clean. When you even get mail out of the mailbox, after you open your mail, wash your hands. Common sense. You get a box from Amazon or the post office, wash your hands. Just be proactive. Just a suggestion. I hope you guys have a great day, happy day. Be positive, be happy, be kind. Be kinder than they are. I'll say it again. And don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back. And remember, we all should love, be kind to each other. Until tomorrow, and happy St. Patty's Day.